we are in the golfing area, trying to catch some beautiful trees and grasses. The golfers are golfing, and I was never here in this bottom part of the golfing section. Oh, let's see what we can find and how we are going. This is pretty. They have a fountain over there. So many gorgeous trees. It's Saturday morning, close to 11 o'clock. I wonder what I'm gonna find. This tree is just gorgeous. So over here is the maintenance department. Being Saturday, nobody's around, which probably works well for me. A brook over here. And maybe I should just go back, as it seems there is not much here for me to drive around. I better go back. I usually enter the other way. Yeah, they are golfing in the sun. Beautiful. Okay, going back. This is probably simply for golf carts and not for a regular car like mine. So as a prevention, better go back. To the other way. Okay, let's see if we can see the fountain here. Right there, the fountain, and the golfers are coming down. Over here we have the grasses, and over here we can see that the leaves are already falling down, so the trees are getting to be ready for winter, completely naked. the end of the glorious colors is coming. Then we have white. This is the Rockledge Golf Club. Like I said, I entered in the wrong entrance, I believe. So this is where I usually park to see the area. So it was one. Okay. And they have a place for dining outside over there for the restaurant. Okay. See how beautiful? Now I'm gonna show this a little better. We're gonna have some boiled potatoes with eggs. Easy enough. Then we're gonna have nice broccoli. Okay, and then we're gonna have some white fish. Okay, so that's gonna be our dinner tonight. It's the potato with eggs and broccoli, and fish, white fish, and I'll show you in a minute. This is the fish. We have 2 steaks. I think it's called porgy, and these 2 steaks cost around $15. So I'm gonna put the fish over here when it's really boiling with some salt, and probably I'll put the broccoli either mixed with the potatoes or in this pan separate. Everything with some salt. As a matter of fact, the fish is already salted, so I'm not gonna put much in the water, but just in the potatoes and broccoli. This is a simple country meal, of course, but it's very healthy because we can see that the fish is really good. Fish is going, creates a lot of foam, and I tried with the knife and it's already cooked. And not to have so much smell of fish in the house, I put a little bit of vinegar and did the trick, doesn't smell. Now over here, the potatoes are still a little bit hard. But I'm gonna put the florets of broccoli already washed any minute. Ah, we got all the vapor in the video. Our dinner is practically done. We are not gonna let the florets of broccoli cook too much, just a little bit, because we want to maintain the vitamins and also the color. Okay, so it's done. We're gonna eat with some olive oil, vinegar on top also, and maybe some pepper for the ones that like. The way it looks now, the fish and the potatoes and the broccoli. Okay, so now we have the eggs over here in cold water so we can peel them faster. Okay, let's finish off this and have our dinner. I know this is quite simple, and you might even say, why bother with this? The situation is, if a chef can have videos frying an egg, so I can do this simple meal as well. Don't you think? I think so. So let's have our meal right now. Enjoy, get inspired, eat healthy. Table set, everything is ready. Even my Portuguese bread is here. And I'm gonna have olive oil and vinegar on top of this with some pepper. And of course I'm not gonna eat all this, that's impossible, but I'm gonna eat at least maybe a quarter or half of it. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Stay positive, enjoy life. Stay positive and enjoy life. all the time. And remember, time goes fast. You better take advantage of the time you have now. I'm ready to eat, and I also pick up some beautiful leaves from the park to decorate my table while I eat, to make me happy. So see, I didn't eat everything. We gotta be watchful of the amounts we eat, but this is very healthy and very good for you. And like I say, such simple recipes a youngster can make for the parents if they want to, with supervision, because of the hot stove and the boiling water and so on. Okay, enjoy and be creative with whatever you have in the house. Have a good day. See you soon. And don't forget, good virgin olive oil. Okay, the best you can find, either Portuguese or Greek or Italian, and other brands that have very good virgin olive oil. Okay, and then some vinegar, like I said, some pepper, and a little bit of salt on top if you feel like having a little bit more to spice it up. Okay, bye bye now.